Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I'm here with my son, and apparently dog. We're going to talk to you really quick about this, Shut the Box. It's actually a dice game, dice board game that is really fantastic. We've had this game before, and I appreciate you guys sending us this one because this is a little bit different because it actually does come with color-coded dice, color-coded sides, and does have a nice storage bag that actually comes with the piece as well that you can actually store the pieces in, which is really nice. But to play this game, we're going to simply put up all of our pieces here. This is a great math game. You can also do it with multiplication. You can do it with addition. And what it does is you actually roll the dice. We're going to go ahead and play real quick. And you can actually go ahead and take the dice, shut down specific numbers that go along with that. You can add them up if you're needing to do that and put them down. So like I got 11, so I can put down a 10 and a 1, or I could put down an 8 and a 3 to make my 11. And you're going to kind of go along until you just can't go anymore, and then the person with the lowest score wins. And so that's really neat. This is about 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches on this one, and about a little over an inch thick, it looks like, on this. It does have some nice padded feet on the bottom of this, so if you're playing it on a harder surface, it's not going to be going anywhere. But I'm liking the fact that it does have the color-coded sides. You can play with 4 people. This is just a really great game. It's a lot of fun. We've played this a lot of games with both of our kids, and it's just a really simple game. You can even take this on a trip with you, take it on like a car trip, because it can easily be thrown into the center here, or you can roll it outside. And it looks like I actually can't put down anything because I got 10, and you ended up with 11, and I ended up with a lot more than that, so he wins.